Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I am your chemistry teacher of class pre-9th, lecture 3. Today we will discuss our topic Mendeleev and modern periodic table and long form of periodic table. Mendeleev's periodic table. Who was Mendeleev? A Russian chemist, Mendeleev arranged the known elements, only 63 elements, in order of increasing atomic masses. He formulated the periodic law, created a four-sided version of the periodic table of elements, and used it to correct the properties of some already discovered elements and also to predict the properties of 8 elements yet to be discovered. So why he is great? Is it because he listed down the known elements? No. Besides, he was not even the first person to do it. Is it because he arranged elements with similar properties together? No. That had also already have been done. So what is periodic table according to Mendeleev's? Mendeleev's periodic table is mainly based on two facts. First one is atomic mass and second one is similarity of chemical properties. So Mendeleev's periodic law is stated as the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. There are some limitations in Mendeleev periodic table. First one is wrong order of elements. He basically arranged the elements according to their masses, but sometimes placed a lighter element before a heavier one to satisfy that all elements in the column have similar properties. Example, in reality, nickel weighed less than cobalt, but Mendeleev has placed cobalt before nickel. There is another limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table. Position of hydrogen. Hydrogen has been placed within first group with the alkali metals. Hydrogen makes compound just like the alkali metals but also exists as diatomic molecule like halogens. Mendeleev could not explain about this anomaly. Mendeleev also not explain isotopes. Mendeleev could not give separate position for the isotopes of an elements. What is periodic law? In 1913, H. Moseley discovered a new property of the elements, atomic number. Properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. Atomic number of an element is equal to the number of electrons in a neutral atom. Test yourself 3.1. 1. What was the contribution of Du-Brenner toward classification of elements? Du-Brenner, a German chemist, present Du-Brenner's triad. How Newlands arranged the elements? Newland arranged the elements according to law of octaves. Who introduced the name of periodic table? Mendeleev introduced the name of periodic table. Why the improvements in Mendeleev's periodic table was made? Because he was unable to explain the position of isotopes. State Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic law statement is that properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. What is modern periodic table? Atomic number of an element is more fundamental property than atomic mass in two respects. A. It increases regularly from element to element. B. It is fixed for every element. So, the discovery of atomic number of an element in 1913 led to change in Mendeleev's periodic law, which was based on atomic masses. The modern periodic table is based upon the arrangement of elements according to increasing atomic number. When the elements are arranged according to increasing atomic number from left to right in a horizontal row, Properties of elements were found repeating after regular intervals such that elements of similar properties and similar configuration are placed in the same group. We can see here in the diagram, it was observed that after every 8th element, 9th element had similar property as the first element. For example, sodium had similar properties as lithium. After atomic number 18, every 19th element was showing similar behavior. So the long rows of elements were cut into rows of 8 and 18 elements and placed one above the other so that a table of vertical and horizontal rows was obtained. Long form of periodic table. What are periods and groups in long form of periodic table? The table consists of 7 horizontal rows called period. Elements of periodic table in periods show different properties. First period consists of 2 elements. Second and third period has 8 elements. Fourth and fifth has 18 elements, while seventh period has 32 elements. We can see here in periodic table that first period consists of 2 elements, second and third period has 8 elements, fourth and fifth period has 18 elements. Groups. There are 18 vertical columns in a periodic table, numbered 1 to 18 from left to right, which are called groups. The elements of a group show similar group properties. Elements are classified into 4 blocks depending upon the type of subshell which gets the last electron. Hope you understand Mendeleev's periodic table, periodic law, modern periodic table. Thank you.